When we talk on the next one, with reference to the Ilbert Bill controversy, consider the following statements. The bill sought to empower the Indian district magistrates and session judges to try Europeans in criminal cases. Okay. The European community in India vehemently opposed the bill, alright, claiming Indians were unfit to judge Europeans, and the government of India stood firm and passed the bill without any amendments. Okay, so which one of the following is correct? So when we talk on this, what can we say is that the bill sought to empower Indian district magistrates and session judges to try European criminal cases. I just explained that to you in the earlier aspect. So yes, that is there. The European community in India vehemently opposed the bill, claiming Indians were unfit. So there was widespread protest, and based on that, there was the changes in the bill. And when those changes were there in the bill, so the government of India stood firm and passed the bill without any amendments. Okay, so here those bills, they were passed without any amendments, they are telling. So after the protest, means the original bill was what? The original bill, it was that even the Europeans can be tried by the Indian judges. That was the original bill. But because of the protest, what happened? There were amendments. So here in the third statement, they are telling that there were no amendments, but there were amendments. So that is why the third statement is incorrect, and the option is going to be only 1 and 2. Okay. So the next question is, consider the following pairs. Consider the following pairs. That is, here, Dadabhai Nauroji, on the leader name and the ideology. Dadabhai Nauroji, then Bal Gangadhar Tilak, then Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and then Bipin Chandra Pal. How many of the above have been correctly matched? How many of the above have been correctly matched? So here when we understand this, okay, so only 1, only 2, only 3, and only 4. Okay, so leader's name and ideology. Dadabhai Nauroji is the extremist leader. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the moderate leader. So from the statement itself, we can understand Dadabhai Nauroji, he is not the extremist, but he is the moderate. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the extremist. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is the moderate, and Bipin Chandra Pal is the extremist. So only 2 are correct and 2 are incorrect. So only 2. So the how many above pairs? Only 2 pairs are correct. Option is going to be B. Option is going to be B.